Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Listen, Myro update. You know Myro is my boy. I think this is going to be one of those coins that could honestly 35 to 65x, obviously depending on how much money comes in. 35 more on the conservative side, 65, more on the crazy moon side. Listen, last time I made a video, I said, listen, this is going to be your last chance to be buying Myro on a pullback, right? When I made the video, I think price was roughly here, right? So then we had one more move to the upside before we slam back down. In that video, I did say, listen, this is a key area, right? We just retested this time area multiple times, right? Pretty much 10 cents. We retested multiple times. And every time we touched it, we went back down, right? Three times. The fourth time, nope. And fourth time, we actually slammed through. And I said, price will more or less touch it, right? It literally doesn't have to touch exactly this area, right? So I said, make sure to have a buy limit, slightly higher here, here, or here. And you see, boom, there we go. Myro touched. And now Myro is heavily moving to the upside. Now, I do think Myro will eventually have one minor pullback, but I think once it kind of comes back to around 12.5 cents, then it probably will retrace back down to roughly 11. It's going to be retesting off this and this in this zone, probably going to consolidate. So that is the next move for Myro, right? If you're going to be looking to buy the most optimal area. I mean, you guys aren't that far away from it, right? I think Myro overall, just for a couple days, maybe a few short weeks, is going to be kind of ranging in this area over here. So you will have maybe a few chances to get decent prices, right? The most premium prices are behind us. You will not be getting these prices ever again unless, we're talking about, already in the bear market, but that's years from now, so it's kind of irrelevant. But yeah, guys, this is the next thing for Myro. Like I said, I still think this coin has such a long potential and a long way to go, right? When we just look at it in terms of market cap, right? I always say this. Myro is currently chilling at around 112 million market cap, and I think at the minimum it's going to go to 3 to 5 billion range on a conservative side. So you would be looking from 30 to 50x, right? If Myro does better than expected, if it does take that hot seat, if there's triple or quadruple the money, right, instead of double, then like I said, Myro could be hitting that 10 to 15 billion dollar market cap, which you would be looking at 100 to 150x. Now, I don't want to overhype you, right? Because we don't know, but you have to think that this is probably going to be the biggest altcoin season ever, right? Because after this, the more adoption there is, the more restrictions, the more regulations, and the more things are going to be, kind of regulated and just, you're going to have less opportunity. So I think this is going to be the biggest final altcoin season ever. So taking chances on coins like Myro, on Turbo, on Render, on anything is just totally worth it this altcoin season. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. And I'll talk to you guys next time.